Jason.
I'm worried. You know what? There's one more we know. So,
Okay.
I think their horses have a relationship.
Here's my horse.
Is this one up here?
Okay, is it supposed to move?
I know. And how do we stop them?
Yeah, so there's the cattle around the... And that one's coming right behind you.
Yeah, I'm scared to death right now. It's like, move. Don't scare my horse. Woo, honey. Woo.
Alright, we've already let one out.
All right. Why don't they do that? I'll just sit here and watch.
How many heads we driving here?
You sound like you're a professional with this.
I'll watch the western one.
You'd like to drop in, you can come on in here behind us, but always stay behind the last cow.
Okay. That's all right. I'll stay back here. Oh my God. Alright, I'm ready to go back now.
Ooh.
I can't do this behind you. I think your horse is going to be sick. Oh my God, not behind you again.
Whoa. Right. You look like a professional, Jason.
Call me cowboy.
Yeah. I can't quit you. Show us your pink camera.
Isn't it beautiful?
Nice, nice. Right.
Hey folks, get it behind me.